Hi, my name is Sara and this is my life science demonstration. I'm going to start by telling you what I did in this experiment. And what I did is I planted two seeds at the same time, and when they first started showing a little bit of green, that's when I started my experiment. This was my control group, and so I took care of this like you would any plant, with plenty of sunlight, water, air. This one I put in the closet. So as you can see, it did grow a little bit more, but now it's failing to thrive, laying in the dirt. I don't think it's going to make it much longer. I hope I can save it. I don't know if I can. But this is an experiment that you can do at any age group. And I'm going to tell you why I think that this is appropriate for kindergarten through 6th grade. Kindergarten, 2nd, and 3rd grade, their standard is interdependent relationships in the ecosystem. And so this is why plants depend on clean air. This is why plants depend on clean water. And so you can really show what plants depend on sunlight. So you could really show their dependency this way, and this would make a big impact. 1st and 4th grade, structure and function, and in particular it's the external parts of the plant are necessary for survival, and this is where it gets all of its nutrition and photosynthesis and all of that comes into play. So you can really show that since this one got the sunlight and the food and resources that it needed, look at the difference between this one and the one that was not able to get the appropriate amount of sunlight. For 5th and 6th grade, their standard is matter and energy in organisms and ecosystems. And then if you click on that, it says support an argument that plants get the materials they need for growth chiefly from air and water. So this is a great experiment for them to be able to make their own conclusions, do their own experiment in groups of 3, and be able to support that argument through hands-on learning. And the cost of this experiment, I bought these in a pack of 15 for $6. And the seeds I bought for $1.28. And so, I mean, if you're going to do it in groups, so you're looking at around like $9, $10. But, well, because I'm thinking 2 packs of seeds. But my mentor teacher said that a lot of nurseries, and even like Home Depot, Walmart, a lot of places, local nurseries will give you cups like this away for free. Or Dixie cups would do the same thing. I did this experiment with my kindergarten daughter, so she decorated each cup, and that's a way for groups to be able to tell which cups are theirs, and also which one's your control group and which one is your variable. And so for kindergarten through 4th grade, I think that just doing one and keeping it in the classroom and talking about it and making your observations, filling out a journal, I think that's enough. I don't think that each group needs one. But for 5th and 6th grade, it would be really nice if you can start seeing them come up with their own ideas, talk about a control group, a variable, and plan their experiment and be able to carry that out themselves. So this is a great experiment because you can adjust learning for different abilities even. Different abilities, different age groups, but it still makes a powerful message. I mean, just look at the difference of the plants, of the one that was kept away from air and sunlight in the closet and the one that's thriving. So thank you for listening.